Deep in the forest, a whole flock of sheep were just chillin', grazing away. Their main dude, a laid-back goat, was keeping an eye on them. But on one scorching sunny day, that goat got seriously parched and decided to hit the nearby stream for a quick gulp.
So hot! Gotta get some water like now.
While the goat was off slurping water, a sneaky leopard just busted into the scene.
Time to check around for my snack buffet.
No!
When the goat got back, he almost snapped. He saw that leopard and, thinking fast, he totally distracted it and yelled a warning to the sheep.
What?
They all bolted, running for their lives.
Go, go, go!
The leopard, now furious, was right on their tails. Meanwhile, Superdog was just cruising by, and suddenly he heard those terrified screams.
Sounds like they're in deep trouble.
Superdog didn't waste a second. He powered up, blasted into the sky like a rocket. On the other side, those sheep and the goat were trapped. Big old valley, no escape. Just in the nick of time, Superdog spotted him. He swooped down, grabbed that snarling leopard. He soared way high into the sky and took that predator far, far away, finally tossing it into a distant lake. Splash!
Oh, yeah!
Seriously, thank you for saving our woolly hides.
Everyone was safe, sound, and happy once again.